Okay, I'm gonna be documenting a tree that fell. I just discovered it. It is 10:34, January 10th, 2024, and my house is right there, and the Crummins house is right over there. They're 909 Longwood Court, and I am 911 Longwood Court. And I'm just doing this as a just so you get a reference point of where the damage is. So over here, this is their property line is right here where that pink flag is. And we'll bring it over here. We've got a downed tree. There was a very big windstorm and water. This creek usually is not this full. It must have been, it went down. Well, it was a dead tree that T&T identified. T&T Tree Service, and I wrote a certified letter not too long ago, but enough time that they could have corrected this tree. And it did fall down. And here's my fence. Okay, so I'm gonna follow, and we'll see the damage that happened here. It was a tree on their property. Okay, definitely on their property. Okay, so we've got so starting off, we've got that damage to the fence. We've got some things to remove from my property. We've got more fence damage. Lots of fence damage there. Crushed under there. Now this is going on to my this is all my property on this side. So yeah, this the tree has to be removed. The fence has to be fixed. Let's see here. And looks like they have some damage to their property as well. This roof looks bent. And we got more fence here. Okay. This is a chicken coop. I'm not seeing any chickens, but all right, so now I'm just gonna move back to just view the total damage of all this, and just zoom in a little bit over there. So as you can see, it took out that whole fence part. All right. Oh, and so this is a Crummins, and there we go. And that's where I started, at the playground.